Right, we are here at McCacken in the engine display, and Ed Meyer just told us this is a factory all-aluminum SK 427 big block, likely developed for Can-Am. He's only seen 3 of these aluminum blocks in the years he's done this, and he's finally spent 40 years getting the pieces to actually put this motor together. But when you want to talk about an incredibly rare piece of Ford engineering, this is truly total performance and absolutely gorgeous presentation. Again, in this field of rare racing engines, as you can see, we've got a bunch of them here. This one's a standout, again, as they all are. So thanks, Ed, for bringing it out, and we'll be back here at McCacken.